Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course Microsoft is trying to push everyone towards Windows 11, and it's working hard at it, and it's trying to convince everybody about, everything possible and added security and a better operating system. And, I think it sees that people are very, very slow at adopting it. And I think they see that a lot of people don't necessarily want to go there. They want to hold on to either Windows 10 as long as possible. So they, of course, issued a web page where they talk about the 7 tips to get the most out of Windows 11 on their blog posts of Microsoft. So, they talk about things that, so make the start menu your own. So they talk about, the customization options, because that is one of the things that a lot of people will want maybe to play with. Of course, customizing the different options of the start menu. But they also talk about snap layouts for multitasking, which I don't see a lot of people using. They talk about stay up to date with widgets, which no one uses. Stay on track with focus sessions, with I don't know a lot of people that use it. Log in with Windows Hello, which is also something on Windows 10. Nothing really that new here. Enable dark mode for comfort. Yeah, same thing for Windows 10. And then there's, of course, Windows 10 end of support, why you should upgrade now and not wait until the end. And blah, blah, blah. And once again, showing that, first of all, let's face it, they're talking about features that most people don't know about and that don't use, but that already exists for some of them in Windows 10. There's really, when you look at that, you realize there's not that much Microsoft is capable of talking about of Windows 10, Windows 11, that is compelling and is making people want to move on. This is interesting. They obviously have no idea how to push people there and tell them, hey, this is the latest, greatest. This is where you should be. It's incredible. But they're working hard at it, and, they're going to succeed anyways, because people will be moving on simply because Windows 10 is at end of support. And like I said, they don't talk much about options like extended support. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.